give the floor to the Union of Northwest Human Rights Organization.
Madam Vice President, my organization would like to draw the attention of this Council to recent flood situation in Sindh and Pakistan. According to the United Nations Office of Coordination for Humanitarian Affairs, 1.5 million houses in Sindh damaged or destroyed. 1.2 million hectares of agricultural land has been submerged in Sindh. 33 million people have been affected by heavy rains and flood. 130,000 pregnant women needs urgent health service. 6.7 million kilometers of road damaged. 1.4 thousand people are killed. 12.7 thousand people are injured. And 755,000 livestock lost. In addition, since schools and health centers are destroyed, Pakistan's flood and rain have damaged a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Mohenjo-daro, the 5,000-year-old civilization site located in Sindh. Madam Vice President, Pakistan and United Nations have blamed the climate change for the flooding. However, to our understanding, it is not just the climate change, but also the authorities in Pakistan and their appointed government in Sindh are responsible who failed to maintain Sindh's irrigation systems. The authorities are corrupt, culprit and mafia. Due to their ignorance, inefficiency, negligence and corruption, Sindhi people lost their lives, crops, livestock, homes and all their livelihoods. We urge United Nations Human Rights Council to send fact-finding mission to investigate not just climate change issue, but also crime against humanity. I appeal to United Nations to appoint a special envoy for Pakistan-occupied Sindh. Thank you, Madam Vice President.
Thank you. And I now give the floor to Tamil Usaka.